Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up return policies with Shopify and legal templates step by step clearly. To set up return policies with Shopify, first, log into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the settings section located at the bottom left of the screen. Click on policies from the options available. You will see sections for various policies including return, refund, and privacy policies. To create or edit your return policy, click on the Create from Template option next to the Return Policy section. Review the template provided by Shopify. Customize the template to fit your business needs. Make sure to clearly state the time frame for returns, acceptable conditions for returns, and any exceptions. Designate who is responsible for shipping costs on returns. Once you have tailored the policy, click the Save button at the top right corner. Next, consider adding legal templates that can support your return policy. Visit a legal template provider, such as LegalZoom or Rocket Lawyer. Select a return policy template that suits your business type. Make any necessary adjustments to reflect your specific practices and regulations. After finalizing the legal templates, download them to your computer. Upload these documents to your Shopify store by returning to the Policies section. Click on the Upload button to add your legal templates. Ensure these documents are accessible to your customers by adding links in the footer of your online store. Finally, test your return policy by simulating a customer experience. Review all policies to ensure they are clear and concise. Once satisfied, your return policy setup is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.